So if you can do this, you can make money with LiveGood. Now you're probably thinking, do what? Like, what did you do? Do what, bruh? I don't get it. Do this right here. What you watching right now? If you can create content, you can make money with LiveGood. All right. So it's just a matter of, finding out what can you do on what are you comfortable with. And I know some people say, yeah, I got your comfort zone. Well, let's start with things you are comfortable with doing, right? And then do it on a consistent basis. All right. So if you are a Facebook person, which I know a lot of people who promote strictly on Facebook, then you need to create short videos like this, sharing the LiveGood opportunity, not selling, but sharing the LiveGood opportunity, whether it be by just post, right? Take some pics, you know what I'm saying? And then put like some information about, LiveGood, why you joined and how cool it is, whatever. Or, videos always work better, but if you're not a video person, whatever. But if you're a Facebook person, do that on Facebook. Post 2-3 times a day, 5 to 7 days a week, right? Because those that are successful and LiveGood, they are consistent. They're consistent and persistent. You know what I'm saying? They're relentless because they got goals, right? So you got to have that mindset, to be honest with you, if you want to be successful and LiveGood. But it's just as easy as you taking your phone like I'm doing and just talking to that bitch. Just talk, right? Talk. People will see it. A lot of people get discouraged when they see, they'll post something on Facebook and get like 2 likes, right? But that's 2 people that saw your post. People get discouraged if they got a video and they only get 10 views, right? That is shitty. That sucks. But that's 10 people, 10 opportunities that somebody could have seen your video and joined your LiveGood team, right? So it's just simple as this. This video is going to be under 2-3 minutes. And it's super easy to do, super easy to post, and anybody can do it, right? Just post. Find your platform, YouTube, right? Facebook, your Facebook wall, Facebook Reels, Instagram, TikTok. I don't really like TikTok, but TikTok, right? Just create content. It's easy. Just put it out there. That's it, right? Have your LiveGood tour page link in all your profiles. But honestly, most people mess up because they don't do anything. Like, people know what they need to do. It's just a matter of taking the time to do it, right? I had to say to myself right now, like, look, let me grab my phone. Let me shoot this quick ass video and I'll post it up on YouTube. It'll take me 5 minutes to post this because it's very little editing, if any. Anybody can do this. So if you're watching this and you thinking about joining LiveGood, or maybe you're already with LiveGood and you're struggling, you're like, damn, I just can't make it. It's about creating content, get consistent, be persistent, right? And don't quit and keep going, right? Because eventually you're going to get those pre-enrollees and then you're going to get some upgrades. It's just about putting out content, like, for real. That's what you got to do. If you can do this right here, you can be successful in LiveGood. All right. So if you aren't on, what the hell am I saying? If you're not with LiveGood yet and you want to jump on a team, you want to grow the team that's doing big things, click that first link in the description and I will see you on the squad.